जब हो जाए
Hello, good morning, students. Good morning, sir. Now, today I am starting your new exercise, that is 9th B. Okay, exercise number 9th B. And as you know that the sum, yesterday I discussed about the sum of the AP, and the sum of AP is denoted by SN. Okay, it's denoted by SN, and the formula is first is n by 2, then say 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is our first formula. Second one, second condition, the formula means question is same but formula is different. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2. Can we write this thing a plus a? 2a is a plus a, and plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d is here. Okay, so that finally Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus, and this is the part of, it is the nth term of an AP. It is denoted to the nth term of an AP, and as you know that nth term is denoted by Tn, so it is a plus n minus 1 into d is here. A plus n minus 1 into d, and Tn, yeah, we can say that it is a last term. Last term is also denoted by a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. So we can write here L. We can write here L. So first formula, remember this thing. Second one is this one. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. It is a very simple one formula. Remember, when you have given the last term and first term of an AP and n is given, so that time we can apply this formula. Second time, when you have given first term, common difference, and AP is given, last term is not given, so that time we can use this formula. Okay, this formula. So now we have to start our new exercise. Okay, now I am starting our new exercise. The new exercise is question number first. Question number first, and it is a very simple one. Find the sum of the first part, second part, third part, fourth part. All four part are the easy part. So question is find the sum of the. Now I am taking first, second part. Find the sum of its 50 terms of an AP. AP is minus 27, minus 23, minus 23. minus 19 and dash. Okay, and question is find the sum of first 50 term. First 50 term means n is equal to 50 is here. N is equal to 50 is here. Okay, n equal to 50. So find the sum of the 50 term. So what is the a? A is equal to minus 27. Next, common difference d is equal to second is 23, second minus first, so minus sign, and this is minus 27, so minus 27, so d is equal to minus 23 minus plus 27. So finally the value of the d, finally the plus and 4, so plus 4, d is equal to a equal to minus 27. Next, n is given here, n is equal to 50. The number of terms is equal to 50 is here. And what is our question? Find the sum. Sum is denoted by Sn. And we have the two formula to find the sum of the AP. One is Sn is equal to this one, and second Sn is equal to this. But we have not given the, so we can apply the first formula. So Sn is equal to n by 2 n minus 1 into d. So it is a very simple one. Substitute all the values. So value as which term we are calculating, which find. So we are calculating up to 50 terms. Sum of the up to 50 terms. As 50 is equal to n. So 50 upon 2. So 50 upon 2. Next 2 into a. So 2 into minus 27 and plus n minus 1. N minus 1 is 50 minus 1 into d, and d is equal to 4 is here. Okay, so we can calculate all the values here. चलो देख लेते हैं. 25, 50, 25. Now 27 to the 54 minus 54, 51 and minus 1. 50 minus 1 50 minus 1 49. Yeah, 50 4 that 200, 200 minus 4 minus 4 196. So plus 49 into 4, 49 into 4, so it become 196, 196. Ahead you can calculate the answer. What will be the sum of the 50 terms? Okay, so hope you understood the concept of the sum of an AP, sum of the an AP. Okay, the next question, question number 2. Question number 2. So I request please solve all the part of this question because all are very easy question. Okay, the next question is same question is here. Question number 2. Find the sum and find the sum. The AP is given here 34, 32, 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dash plus 2 is here. Question is find the sum. Now A, what is the A? A is equal to 34, D is equal to 34 minus 32 minus 34. The 32 minus 34, so it is 32 minus 34. The answer will be minus 2. Okay. Now what is this 2? What is this 2? 2 is the last term of this AP. So L is equal to given 2. Okay, L is equal to 2. To which formula we can apply here? We have the two formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. One is this and the second one is by using the last term n by 2a plus l. So it is a simple one. We can apply this formula, we can apply the second one also. But in the second there is the calculation is very easy. So we can apply this formula. But A is given, okay, no problem. N is given here, no problem. But N is given, N is not given here. Can you calculate the number of terms? How many terms are given here? Without the number of terms, we can calculate the sum. If it is equal to n by 2, A is equal to 34 and plus N is equal to 2. So what is the value of N? No, it is not given here. So the question is changed. It is not direct to sum of the AP. Okay. So first of all, we have need the value of which part? N. Or N. How can we calculate? To one part we can apply this formula, but Sn is not given here. Sn is not given here, so we cannot calculate the value of n. So again we have to go through this with the help of nth term of the AP. Remember this thing. Okay, we can apply the formula of Tn. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. With the help of this formula we can calculate the n. So many times you will deal this type of the question. Okay, and you know you are the expert how to solve the n and find the value of n. Tn denoted to the nth term. Nth term is 2. A, what is the A? A is 34 plus n minus 1. N is, we have to need here n minus 1 into d. D is equal to minus 2. So taking this part in left hand side, so 2 minus 34, so it is minus 32 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Taking this minus 2 in left hand side, so minus 32 upon minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. Minus to minus plus 16 is equal to n minus 1. Taking 1 in left hand side, so finally 17. So n is equal to 17 here. It means how many terms are given here in this AP? So we have given 17 terms. Means this is our 17th term. So question is find the sum of the AP. So how many terms we have to calculate? It's what up till to 17th term we have to calculate the sum here. Okay. So Sn is equal to, it is your choice. You can apply this formula. This is also your choice. You can apply this one. But I told you it make our calculation easy. This one is also easy. But one step and two step will be increases in the question. So we can apply this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. So S, how many terms? 17th terms. Okay. So 17 by 2, then A is equal to 34 and plus L is equal to 32. So you can calculate the answer of this question. Okay. What will be the answer? Find it. Okay. Next. The next one is the next question. Question number 2 also same, second part also same. So I request solve the second part. Okay, now the turn of question number 3rd. Common difference of an AP. Common is sum is SN. Calculate the first term is A. A is equal to 100 and last term is L. L is equal to minus 10. Okay. Find its sum if first term is 100 and last term is minus 10. Okay, no problem sir. SN calculate करना है तो SN you know that yeah, otherwise you can apply the bigger one for larger one. You need apply the TN. So TN is equal to D. TN is minus 1 into D. D is equal to minus 2. Okay, so can you calculate this solution? Calculate the value of n here, then after you will get the sum of all calculated here. Okay, so then after that you are able to solve the solution here. Okay, so hope you understood. So write in the comment section what is the condition of the sum, how can we calculate the sum of an AP. Okay, if you completely understood the concept of AP and their sum, so then you will not face any type of the problem in the GP. It is my guarantee. Okay. Then now 54, 51, 48 and should be taken so that their sum is 513. Again the very easy question is coming. Okay, how many terms of the AP should be taken so that their sum is 513? Any problem? Can you solve it? 1 2 3. How many terms we will take here? 48. Then after that then any another number up to infinity, but not infinity. How many terms we have taken here so that their sum will be 530? It means calculate the value of n. Calculate the value of n, and you know that how can we calculate the value of n? One method is nth term and the second method is Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and second method is Sn is equal to n by 2a plus l. Can we apply this formula? No, because last term is not given here. And in the first part we cannot apply this part also because tnth term is not given. Sn is given. Sn, remember this thing, Sn is given. So Sn is n by 2 then plus n minus 1 into d is here. So Sn, what is the value of Sn? This is 530. So 530. Now one more thing. A is equal to 54. D is equal to 51 minus 54. 50 smaller minus greater. 51 minus 54. So minus 3 will be here. 52, 54. Okay. So n by 2. Next 2 into a 54. 2 multiply by 54. Next plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. No problem. This is the very simple one. Now it is our algebraic expression and we have to calculate the value of n here. Okay. Any problem, sir? Understood this question? Okay. Kanish Karoda, good morning. Samarth, good morning. Okay. I think Kanish Karoda attending the session very late. What happened? I don't know. Chalo, no problem. So this is our question here. Okay. So now shall we have start? How can we solve it? 513 is equal to n by 2. Now multiply it to 54 to the 108. 108. 2 4 the 8. 2 5 the 10. Next plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Yeah. Okay. Done. Now take this 2 in left hand side. Take this 2 in left hand side. So 513 into 2, okay, is equal to n. Now multiply this n. Yeah, otherwise one thing we can do here. First of all 108 plus multiply this minus 3 inside the bracket. Multiply this n inside the bracket. So this is minus 3n minus 3 plus 3 minus or minus plus 3. Now multiply this n inside the bracket. So 513 into 2 is equal to 108n. And next minus plus minus 3n and into n square. Now n to plus 3n. So this is in the form of the quadratic equation. And as you know that how can we solve the quadratic equation? You are the expert, you are the genius how to solve the quadratic equation. So we can calculate it here. First of all, this is 513 into 2 is equal to minus 3n square. Next 108 plus 3n. 108 plus 3n to 111 plus 111n and done. Okay, so done. Any problem, sir? Any problem? Good. Okay, taking all the part in left hand side, so this is negative, so 3n square minus 111n and plus 3 to the 6 and 2 1 the 2 and 2 5 the 10 is equal to 0 is here. Okay, so question is in the form of quadratic equation and we need the value of n here. So please solve this quadratic equation and find the solution. Maybe listen here carefully what I am explaining. Maybe you and how many answers we will get here? 2 answers we will get. One will be the positive number. Yes, second will be maybe positive number. Okay, but one is a complete number, one is a whole number, and second may be in the form of the fraction. If your answer is coming in the form of the fraction, here in the form of the negative terms, so neglect this part because the number of terms in the form of fraction. Because this is the first term, second term, third term. Can we read first term and half term? No, we cannot read any term as a half, yeah 2 and half, yeah 1.4. Okay, so if your answer is coming in the form of the fraction, decimal, the negative terms, we can neglect that part, taking the whole and positive numbers. Okay. So 18 and 19, very good, Samarth. 18 and 19 is here. (18) or 19. Okay, good. So solve it, then calculate your answer. Challenge. Next, question number 5th. Question number 5th. If the sum of first 9 term of first 9 term means SN. Sum of 9 term of NAP. Sum of first term of 8 term of NAP. Okay. So sir, in this exercise, one thing. How many terms are given in one column? First one is SN. Second is A. Third is D. Fourth is N. So it means how many types of the question we will deal here? 4 type of the question. Okay, these are the 4 basic things. Some question based on the equation. Equation means sometimes we have to make the one equation. Second type of A and D. Then is the value n by 2, 2a plus. If you want to take the L is not given, so we will take 2a plus n minus 1 into D is here. Okay, SN. So SN, what is the sum? 72. And how many terms we are taking here so that we will get answer 72? Yeah, which terms? Okay, up to we are taking so that their sum is 72. कितने terms का sum 72 है? Okay, 9 terms. So n is equal to 9 by 2 and 2 into a calculate करना a plus n 9 minus 1 into d is 5 here. Okay, so it is a very simple one calculation. So you can calculate the value of a, and whenever you will get the value of a, then after that question is find the 10th term. How can you calculate the 10th term? So 10th term is equal to T10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1, n minus 1 na, so 10 minus 1 means 9d. So after that d is given, a we can calculate with the help of this part. Okay, so please solve this part. Now this is the homework for you. Okay, 18 and 19. Okay, 18 and 19, very good. Okay sir, so we had completed our question number 1 to 5. Now this is the timing of the next class, because today I was started your classes late, तो no problem, but और एक चीज और है, हम लोग अपने सिलेबस से काफी आगे चल रहे हैं, ध्यान रखना। सिलेबस जो हम लोगों का है, अगर कंटिन्यू जुलाई में भी ऐसी क्लास चली, जो सिलेबस आपका फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का सिलेबस अगस्त में फिनिश होता है, ओके, अगस्त में, वो इस बार जुलाई में फिनिश हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी, चिंता मत करो आप लोग, ठीक है, और पढ़ाई करो बढ़िया से। तो नाउ टुडे आई एम एंडिंग माय सेशन, तो आई रिक्वेस्ट प्लीज सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 question, then the rest of the question we will take in the next class, okay, thanks for watching the video। तीन बच्चे देखे, हाँ, ये असली होगा।